So we are standing under the Eiffel Tower, and it is beautiful. Hunter, give us your review.
No,
what do you think?
I am scared. We're not doing it tonight, but like if we're doing it tomorrow, it's so high.
But what do you think? Do you think it's
It's
beautiful?
awesome.
Yeah, it is so awesome.
But I'm scared.
And it's so tall. Did you think it would be that tall?
Nope.
I know, it's pretty amazing.
Ooh.
Our brother and sister-in-law are staying in a junior suite at the Marriott in Paris. Check it out. Oh my goodness. It's huge. This is where Hunter and Matt are going to hang out for the night.
Me.
Oh my goodness, y'all have like your own bedroom over here.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. All right, let's look at the bathroom. Marriott in Paris. Look at the sinks. Full shower, plus an enormous soaking tub with a TV. Oh, and a TV. Yeah. Melissa's going to soak tonight before bed.
Soak off the 10 pound of sweat.
Oh my goodness, we are so sweaty. The heat wave in Paris is real. The heat wave of 2019, we will remember that.
Whew. Oh wait, who got
Wow.
the lifesavers? Uncle Chris. Nice.
You have the key.
We are enjoying our first day, full day in Paris today.
Today is much better. Yesterday we were in a heat wave. It was like 95 degrees outside. This morning we woke up, it's beautiful. It's probably like 70 degrees, which is just a world of difference in the weather.
And then this morning, we're going to church with our friend Colin Rayburn, who was actually in John's youth. How many years ago?
About 7 years ago, 8 years ago.
So, and now he's planting or starting a church here in France. So that's an exciting connection, and we're excited to go see him.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Look at the cute market we found. John and I would definitely say when traveling to Paris or in Europe, make sure you get off the beaten path, because there's all kinds of beautiful things you can find that are not tourist souvenirs, but parts of life here in town. Oh, the flowers are beautiful. Ooh, is this cheese coming out? Cheesy meats. Wine. We're staying in. Oh, it's adorable. And of course, the way I know where we are, there's a taco stand. Thank you.
You have the key.
Oh, sure do. Hunter, say hi.
Bye.
This is inside the loft.
It's actually working.
Great time.
Hey.
Last time it wasn't working. Hey mom, can you No, never mind. Told you. I knew that would happen. I knew it.
It's cute. You can stand up at the top but it gets narrow pretty quick. Just got good storage over there for the bags. The same in the living room. There was some good storage under the staircase. Hi, Matt.
Bye.
Come on. Wait,
I'm thinking we take this.
How do you use the tickets in Paris?
pretty much all you have to do is this.
Get it and then go through. Catacombs. It's really nice and cool.
And we're taking a break.
What's the best part is this right here. A bench. The boys have left us.
And we're just down in the catacombs.
Let's just hope we can find our way out in an hour.
Well, but it is cool down here.
To explain that when at the catacombs, expect that you are going to climb all the stairs down and then all the stairs back. Just came down from the room and look what I found.
So do I.
It's like
Melissa, what are we eating?
We're eating, what are we eating?
like I don't know.
French grilled cheeses with ham.
It's French grilled cheese, ham in it, and
They call it croque monsieur.
yeah.
What do you think about it, Matt?
I don't like it that much.
No? Connor, what do you think?
It's not.
I think it is delicious.
Wonderful.
Missy? John, what are you having?
Steak,
Potatoes.
potatoes,
That's very French. Chris, what are you having?
good old fish and chips.
Very French as well.
Hi there. We are going on the big bus